Code is DDW0955. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Geraldine Daza. I am 41 years old. My height is 157 centimeter. My weight is 47 kilos. I am high school graduate. I am Roman Catholic. I am single parent. I have 3 children, 2 boys, aged 20 and 6 years old. 1 girl, 17 years old. I have 3 siblings, 2 girls and 1 boy. I have experience working as a helper in the Philippines for 6 years, since 2009 to 2015. My main duties is to do housework, take care 7 and 5 years old, do simple cooking for Filipino food. The house bungalow house is 2 toilets, 2 rooms. For domestic helper, I work in Kuwait for 2 years. My main duties is to take care 7 and 5 years old. The house is flat. They have 3 rooms, 2 toilets. I do some simple cooking for Arabic food, do laundry, wash dishes, and cleaning. I am willing to accept the job, take care baby, take care elderly. I'm willing to take 1 day off in a month to my employer. If you give me a chance to work to your family, I will work hard. I am responsible. I will treat your child as my own. I am a fast learner. Got initiative. Thank you, ma'am and sir.